This is what I have. Dear Mac, we missed you at the wedding. Thank you for the seashells. This is the only gift we've ever gotten from beyond the infinite. You can hear the sea from inside the shell. You really can. Hope your book is doing well. We can't wait to read it. Because we love you so much, we thought we'd gift you with something also. It'll arrive at your door soon. It is a painting. The painting is by Michelle Lovelace, also known as Red Martin. The painting survived a disaster. Mountain found it washed up on the ocean in perfect condition. The girl in the frame reminds us of your imagination, your love for exploring, the colorful friendship we treasure with you. Be well. See you soon. And write the book. Love, Zayla and Peter Melrose.